Today's video is about how to ease morning tightness to improve mobility every day. Start by rotating the arm and the shoulder joint, keeping your knees soft and doing a nice, slow, gentle circular motion. Now you're going to turn your torso and your pelvis along as well, looking to the back as you rotate the arm, allowing the hips and the knees to bounce a little to facilitate the movement. Have your legs wider than hip width apart now. You're going to flex your wrist. Feel like you're pushing the wall on the side away and side bend to the opposite side here. Keeping the palm face up, keep flexing your wrist. In this position, our shoulder blades are more open. As we side bend, we are able to open up the ribs at the sides more. Flex first and bend. We're going to do it a little bit slower now. Feel like you're holding each bend for one more breath before you come up. Bend more and open up the side of the ribs more. Varying the pace a little bit more now. We're going to come back to smaller bend, but reach and hold at the last count. So pulse, pulse, and reach. Pulse, 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 and reach. Hold for half a breath as you reach. We are reaching by trying to open up the ribs more, yeah? Not by reaching the arm further. Now let's try to give mobility to our toes. Lift the heel and curl the toes. Feel like you're preparing for ankle raise here, but we're not going to do that. We are going to raise the ankle just to curl the toes more, to open up the tightness in between the metatarsals. So with your legs wider than hip width apart now, you should be able to lift the heel higher, keeping your weight at the center, and raise both heels at the same time now. Feel like you're lengthening through the center of the body, crown of the head reaching to the sky. Gently bend from the hips, and your knees will bend as a result. The initiator here is the hips, so avoid pushing through the knees. Go for a deep squat here. Open up your arms as you move to the side, cross your legs and bend your knees and fold from the hips. Raise the back heel. So the preparation we did just now to curl the toes should help the back leg to raise its heel better, more comfortably now. The purpose of opening the arms at the center is for us to recalibrate our balance so that we're able to squat deeper as we go to the sides. Moving slowly, squatting deeply. Opening, squatting and hold for one breath or half a breath as you go down. Then shift your ribs laterally from side to side. Feel like somebody is pulling your arm away. Open up your arms, palms face up. Inhale. Exhale, soft curl. Inhale, arching the spine a little bit, and exhale, doing a soft curl. That is all we have for this video today. Keep moving, keep getting better, because our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Remember to like and subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel and it will mean a lot to me. Try out these movements. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being with me. Take care, have a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.